Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create or edit your playlists on Spotify, so let's get right into it. Now, Spotify is probably the most famous music streaming app in the world, and you can very easily use it to create your own playlist, play any songs you want, and create your own tailored song lists. And the way you do this is by creating a playlist. To do this and to create a playlist, you just need to launch your app wherever you are, on PC, on mobile. It depends entirely on you. But once you're there, you just need to navigate to the Your Library tab, then tap on Create a Playlist or New Playlist to start creating a playlist. And you can also tap the plus icon. I'm pretty sure this will create a new playlist as well. Then you just need to give it a name, and you just need to start adding songs to your playlist. You just need to tap the plus icon next to a song to add it to your playlist, and you can continue adding songs until you're satisfied and you have all the songs that you want, and your playlist will automatically sync across all your devices, which ensures a experience which is pretty seamless. Now, to edit a playlist, you just need to launch the app and go into your library, select the playlist you want to edit, and to remove a song, you just need to find the song in the playlist and tap the three dot icon next to it and click remove from this playlist. And if you want to delete multiple songs, tap the three dots in the middle of the screen and select edit, then tap the white circle with a line through it next to the songs you want to remove, and then tap on done. And that is pretty much the entire process. It is very simple to do, and it is available to you on any platform which you wish. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.